How you doing? My name's Elton, and this is Site Reliability Engineering, the big picture, here on Pluralsight. I'm a Microsoft Azure MVP and a Docker captain, and I've been working with teams using DevOps for many years. DevOps is great for building highly productive teams, but it needs a huge cultural shift, which many organizations just find too hard. That's where SRE comes in, because it shares many of the same goals and approaches as DevOps without the big culture change. SRE keeps a distinction between the product development team, which builds the system, and the SRE team, which manages the system. That makes for an easier transition from the traditional dev and ops teams, but SRE is not like traditional ops. It brings a software engineering approach to operations. You'll learn what that means in this course, which introduces you to all the practices and principles of SRE with lots of real-world examples. First, you'll learn how SRE is different from traditional operations and from DevOps, and you'll see why SRE is a better approach for lots of organizations. Next, you'll learn about toil, which is mundane, repetitive, low-value operations work, and how SRE gives you tools to help manage it. You'll see that limiting how much toil the SRE team has to work through frees up more time for high-value project work, with some useful guidance on automation. Then you'll learn about service levels, how SRE uses service level objectives, SLOs, to clearly state the availability targets for a system, and service level indicators, SLIs, to track those objectives. You'll see how you can define SLOs and implement SLIs, and the best approaches for monitoring systems and generating alerts when the SLOs are in danger. Lastly, you'll learn about being on call with SRE, how incident management works, how you can effectively investigate issues, and why you should produce a post-mortem for every major production incident. This is an introductory course which gives you all the foundational understanding of SRE that you need to help you evaluate if SRE will work for you. So join me and learn how Google runs production systems, right here on Pluralsight with Site Reliability Engineering, the big picture.